Hello, my name is Raul Gonzalez. I work for Woodgrain. I have worked for several years in this company. In an event that the film was removed but not entirely clean, the process is the same as when you remove it out of a prime bore. So we want to clean it up, including the glass bead with the razor blade sharp and a point. You just run it along the bead without getting into the wood, all the way to the other corner. Take care of all four corners. The bead of silicone, you just want to right along the glass, the bead, the wood bead, and the other one just comes right with it, along with the plastic. Just as long as you run along the wood, should be cut all the way through. And you already have the film already started, so all you got to do is peel it off. Comes right off, clean with the plastic and all.